The Nordic Pocket Saw is a compact chainsaw that is extremely strong and very powerful in use. Compact due to the sense that it can be stowed away in its case, and that makes it easy to place it in your pockets, a backpack, or even in your car. The strength of the saw is proven in laboratory testing that it is actually standing the force of 600 kilograms in a pulling test. And that's approximately 20 times more than we can achieve while using it. What makes the Nordic Pocket Saw so very efficient is mainly because the cutting teeth have been placed very close to each other. And also on every second link, the cutting teeth are pointing towards each other. That gives a very powerful and smooth motion while in use. And of course, the webbing handles are as strong as the saw itself, and they allow you to use it with different grips. I think that the Nordic Pocket Saw is an excellent tool to place in your emergency kit. No matter if you are a professional like in rescue service or a regular outdoor person. And please remember to wear protecting gloves and eyewear while using the Nordic Pocket Saw.